town. Volumizers Cubed. Solving problems and saving lives, one uneducated civilian at a time.
Wonder what the volume of this volleyball is.
Funny you should ask.
Well, first you have to know what volume is. Volume is the amount of space a three-dimensional object takes up.
So, to find the volume of a sphere like this volleyball, you need to use the equation 4 pi r cubed over 3. Give us a sec to compute.
The volume of a sphere is 4 pi radius cubed divided by 3. For this particular sphere, the radius was 4.3. To solve this, you do 4.3 cubed times 4 times pi divided by 3. The answer you will get is 106 pi inches cubed, or about 333 inches cubed.
Wow! Volumizers Cubed, you saved the day!
No problem!
Help! I need to find the volume of this box so I can send stuff to my grandma.
Have no fear, we are here. Volumizers Cubed!
The way to find the volume of a rectangular prism is very simple.
All you have to do is length times width times height.
It's that easy! The volume of a rectangular prism is length times height times width. For this particular rectangle, the length was 22, the height was 7, and the width was 18. When you multiply them all together, the volume was 2,772 inches cubed.
Thanks!
No problem! Volumizers Cubed!
Help! I need hot chocolate. I don't know how much water to use.
Don't worry, we'll help you!
The volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times height.
What do you know?
The volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. For this particular cylinder, our radius was 1.5 or 1.5. So to work this problem, we do pi times 1.5 squared times 3.75. And you get approximately 8.4375 pi or 26.5 inches cubed.
I need to give my dog some water, but I don't know how much will fit in the bowl.
Don't worry, we know all there is to know about volume.
You can find the volume of a hemisphere by
Using the formula of a sphere, which is 4 pi r cubed over 3, and then divide that by 2 because it's only half of a sphere.
Thanks, guys.
Oh.
The volume of a hemisphere is the volume of a sphere divided by 2. The volume of a sphere is 4 pi radius cubed divided by 3. For this particular bowl, the radius was 2.5. We cubed that and multiplied it by 4 and then divided it by 3. We got 62.5 pi divided by 3, which came out to be 20.83 repeating pi. We divided that by 2, and we got 10.4 pi inches cubed. Then we multiplied that by pi, and we got about 32.7 inches cubed.
Thanks, Volumizers Cubed.
No problem! Volumizers Cubed!
Hadley, you have to clean.
Darn it! I wonder what the volume of this paper towel roll is. It has a hole in the middle.
Don't worry, we will save you!
Yes!
The volume of a cylinder is
pi times the radius squared times the height.
But because there is a smaller cylinder inside of it, you have to subtract that from the hole. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. The radius of the paper towel roll was 2.25, which you square and multiply by 11, which is 55.6875 pi inches cubed, or when you multiply by pi, about 175 inches cubed. But then you need to find the volume of the inside cylinder to subtract it. The inside cylinder of the paper towel roll has a radius of 1 inch, which squared is still 1, times 11 is 11 pi inches cubed. But you need to subtract that from the whole cylinder. So you do 55.6875 pi minus 11 pi, which is 44.6875 pi inches cubed. Or, when you multiply them both by pi, you do 175 minus 34.56, which equals 140.44 inches cubed.
Thanks, Volumizers Cubed. You guys are amazing.
No problem!
Oh, Hadley, you still gotta clean the kitchen.
Darn it!
Volumizers Cubed!
The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. The radius of this paper towel, what do you call them every time I forget?
Thank you, Volumizers Cubed.
Volumizers Cubed. You say, I wonder what the volume of this volleyball is.
Funny you should ask. Well, first, to find the volume, you need to know what it is. It's the...
I wonder what the volume of... Come at me.
It's okay.
In the face.
To find the volume of a hemisphere, you need to use the volume of a sphere. Your phone's going off.
The volume of a sphere... Oh.
The volume of a hemisphere is the volume of a sphere divided by 2. Okay, I can't say it.
The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height.
Michelle should say this one.
The radius of the inside paper towel.